Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the sensitive points in the zodiac which will be activated by Mars and Saturn. So there I've written two articles and it reads as Red Planet Mars activates 2022 degrees arc in Cancer on the 2nd and 7th July 2021 may activate sensitive zodiac arc for India, China, Jammu Kashmir, Pakistan and so many other countries which have been discussed in this article. Now I will read out. The other parameter is that when Mars transits in the sign Gemini and when it goes in the star, first of all, it will activate the 6.2 degrees of the great conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter. Then it will, on the 24th and on the 25th, it will go in the star Ardra and Saturn will be in the star Shravana, and there will be a Veda between Mars and Saturn as per the Rashi Sangata Chakra and the Nakshatra Sangata Chakra from the 25th April to 16th May. Now 16th May is also a very important day because there will be degree aspect of Mars on Saturn at 18 to 19 degrees between the 14th to 16th May, and the 18.4 degrees of Jupiter and Venus conjunction on the 12th February 2021 will also be activated, which is this conjunction as per the mundane classic Mur Chitram is bloodshed, and it is said that until unless Mars activates the sensitive arc in the zodiac, nothing big can happen. So something historic can happen, especially at that point of time. Saturn will also be in a very slow motion, and on the 18th of May it will be in a stationary motion, and Mars will aspect Saturn in very close degrees. Mars will be 20 degrees and Saturn will be at 19 degrees in stationary mode right from 18th of May till 23rd of May when it becomes retrograde. So these points and in the zodiac are in the Capricorn and Cancer are most enigmatic and they can prove to be historic. First of all, the Mars from the sign Gemini will activate the 6.2 degrees on the 24th of April. 25th it will go in Ardra star and it will be giving Veda to Saturn in the Shravana star till 16th of May. 16th of May it will reach, Mars will activate the 18.4 degrees conjunction of Jupiter and Venus, which is also considered to be bloodshed as per mundane classic of Mur Chitram. And then on the 18th of May, Mars will be aspecting Saturn in stationary mode in very close degrees. So friends, this arc can prove to be historic, and it can play on the countries whichever planet is placed at 1921 degrees in the sign Capricorn will be instrumental in bringing untoward happening in that country, and especially related to wars, because Mars and Saturn are planet for Mars being the natural the Lagna lord and the 8th lord of the natural zodiac, and Saturn being the 10th and the 11th lord of the natural zodiac, and there Mars aspecting Saturn in stationary mode will be most enigmatic, and then Mars and Saturn opposing each other from the 2nd of June to 20th of July. So friends, I will read out. I've written two articles, but I'm making only one video for this, and let me read out. This is reference to my articles in the transit for the red planet Mars in the sign Gemini and Cancer, which may prove enigmatic for the world, especially activating the sensitive arc in the sign Capricorn of 6.2 degrees and 18.4 degrees in the sign Capricorn. My observation that Mars transit in the sign Cancer between the 22 degrees arc may also be sensitive parameter for the countries mentioned in this article. Why I'm talking about 22 degrees is that Saturn and Mercury, Saturn and Venus in the sign Cancer are at between 20 and 22 degrees in the third house of borders, and this will be activated by Mars and also activated by stationary Saturn. And then in the chart of China, Mars is at 21 degrees. So this 21 degrees in the sign Cancer, it has debilitated Mars. So when Mars reaches this sign, these degrees after the 4th and 7th, between the 4th and 7th July, it could activate it, and the Saturn will be in stationary mode in the Lagna, because China has Capricorn Lagna. So this transit, even for China to take an aggressive stance, could be instrumental. Then you talk about Pakistan and India, the day difference is only one. So in the 4th house, the planets Saturn and Venus will be activated from the 10th house, and the 10th lord will also be activated, because transit Saturn will be at 19 degrees and the natal Saturn is at 20 degrees, and Saturn will be stationary. So some important event is going to take place. And then you talk about Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has Mars and Saturn in the 7th house, the war-prone torn state, because Mars and Saturn are placed in the 7th house, and Mars is again at 21 degrees. So friends, this is a very sensitive time frame what I have mentioned in this article. And then the countries, as per the past, the conjunction of and opposition of Mars and Saturn has always brought anguish and pain for the world, and especially for India. The conjunction is more venomous than the opposition, and hence the Mars and Saturn opposition may not be as deadly as the conjunction. The China war took place when there was opposition of Mars and Saturn, but they were in Rahu Ketu axis in very close degrees. The grace now is that Mars, Rahu and Ketu are not conjunct with Mars and Saturn. But if we take the aspect of Rahu and Saturn and aspect of Ketu and Mars, then it is not good. Since Mars and Ketu will be in watery sign, there could be issues in the South China Sea and something to do with water and sea. Watery, there could be troubles from water, troubles from rains, troubles from tsunami-like events also. The Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra also indicate the Veda between Mars and Saturn between the 24th, 25th April to 16th May 2021, and Mars, the king and the minister of the year of India, in the Pisces new moon chart with Taurus ascendant and Angharak Yoga in the ascendant is another parameter which cannot be ignored. The planet positions seems to take the India for a rough patch, especially till the Dasha of Moon Saturn till the 10th July 2021 and more, till Mars is in Cancer, the third house of borders over the 5 planets, till in the Cancer, the third house of borders, and the 8th aspect of Mars on Saturn after the 14th April till 2nd June 2021, and the Veda between Mars and Saturn in the chakras. Affliction to Taurus, Scorpio axis, affliction to Cancer, Capricorn axis, Rahu in Rohini, Saturn in Shravana, Mars in Ardra, and then Saturn retrograde and affliction to Venus are parameters which cannot be ignored, and some kind of rough patch for the country and brawl with the neighbors cannot be ruled out, along with espionage and terrorism in the country, especially in Jammu and Kashmir. China and Pakistan will also be in aggressive stance since the natal Mars will be activated. China and Taiwan relations can also go for a toss. It is not only brawl between the nations, it could be fight with the coronavirus also. This could also mean fight with the coronavirus. India, so I mentioned these charts. India, what is happening, then the transit of Mars in July, I have explained. Please see the charts. Then Pakistan, China, I have already mentioned above. Then Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. US activation of Mars and Saturn will take place after Mars goes in the sign Gemini, because then it will be at 22 degrees over the natal sun, and it will be aspecting the natal Saturn. It will also be aspecting the transit Saturn. So it is also, US can also be in an aggressive stance, and untoward happenings in US are also not ruled out. Malaysia, we have talked about Malaysia. Malaysia has Taurus Lagna. Saudi Arabia, please go through it, I have written. Then Taiwan. Now Taiwan says we'll fight a war, defend ourselves to very last day if China attacks, says Taiwan foreign minister. So the probability for a brawl between China and Taiwan is also not ruled out. Then Indonesia has planets in Capricorn sign, and Venus is at 21 degrees, and Venus is the lord of the 10th house. There could be something to do with the head of the country, and also untoward happenings in the country. So this is all just, friends, I wanted to share. Then let me talk about the other article which I have written today. Let me also read out this, because these two articles are connected. And red planet Mars and Roman god Saturn, Veda in Rashi and Nakshatra Sangharta Chakra, and 8th aspect on stationary Saturn, close degrees detrimental. I have already talked, but let me read out. Red planet Mars and Roman god Saturn, Veda in Rashi and Nakshatra Sangharta Chakra, and 8th aspect on stationary Saturn, close degrees detrimental. This is with reference to my articles written on Mars and Saturn transit. The parameters which are requiring most important dimension are as follows. In the immediate future, and in especially when Mars is in Gemini and Saturn is in Capricorn, and they will be in 6-8 axis. The Mars gives strong 8th aspect on Saturn from the 14th April to 2nd June 2021. The following parameters and events could be on the cards. Mars activating the 6.2 degrees in Capricorn on the 24th April 2021. Mars entering Ardra star on the 25th April, and then there will be Veda between Mars and Saturn in the Rashi, Nakshatra and Nakshatra Sangharta Chakra till the 16th May 2021. Most critical, Mars will activate the 18.40 degrees from the 14th to 16th May 2021. Most sensitive are, since here the planetary war of Jupiter and Venus took place and as per mundane classic, it is mundane classic Mur Chitram, it is bloodshed when it will be activated by Mars aspect, and Saturn will also be in stationary point at 19 degrees, could be explosive since Mars will also aspect the stationary Saturn very close from 20 degrees probably on the 18th of May. Global events can trigger brawl between nations, war, coronavirus. There could be spikes in coronavirus, natural and unnatural calamities, explosions, earthquakes, political tug of war. Mars aspects Saturn stationary in close degrees between the 18th to 23rd May 2021, when Saturn is about to become retrograde and is in stationary motion. For India, the Pisces new moon chart from the 12th April 2021, where Mars is the king and minister of the year and forming a Garak Yoga in Taurus ascendant parallel to India foundation chart, will be explosive and emergency-like situations in the country. The China-Taiwan brawl can go for a toss as per the time frame mentioned above. The Russia-Ukraine brawl can also go for a toss as per the time frames mentioned above. Terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, especially after the 2nd June to 20th July, and detailed articles have been written on my web page, and specific dates as per the Veda and the sensitive degrees 21 between 4th and 7th July 2021. Virus search and already predicted transit of Mars from the 14th April to 20th July could be most sensitive parameter. Natural and unnatural calamities, earthquakes, explosions, fire, transit of Mars from the 14th April to 20th July is most prone. Stock and financial markets most volatile from the 12th April to 20th July 2021. I would not like to comment anything on the stock and financial markets. It can be most volatile, and when Mars activates the sensitive points, there is a possibility that there could be some drastic change also. Let us see what happens. The market can either touch new highs. First they can touch new highs and then also break. It's a subject is of research. Nobody has done any research on financial astrology, but what I have seen as per my past experience, that whenever Mars activates the sensitive points, it's a point when stock and financial markets could also be influenced. Either way, either the market will touch new highs or it can break. But since the events will be enigmatic and negative, there is the possibility for bearish trends also. Lockdown, especially as per the article below. So I have written so many articles, and this is all, friends, I just wanted to share that these two sensitive arcs, first of all in the sign Capricorn and then in the sign Cancer. In Capricorn, the 6.2 degrees and 18.4 degrees and 19 degrees are most sensitive, and in the sign Cancer, the 20 to 22 degrees are most sensitive, because in most countries the planets are in Capricorn and Cancer at 21 degrees, between 20 and 21 degrees. And when Saturn is stationary and Mars is also aspecting the degrees in Capricorn on a stationary Saturn, they will be influenced adversely. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share, and this is a very sensitive information and the sensitive parameters in April and May 2021. So thank you for listening to me, friends, and have a good day.